Vacation can be extremely stressful. Packing can be even more stressful. I think these same thoughts go through most people's minds. What if I forget something? Do I really need all this? Maybe I'll take it just in case. I don't know. But what if I do need it? I found that the best thing to have is a packing list. Teia and I typically have 2 lists, which are further broken down into sublists. One for the clothes and the bathroom stuff, and one for the technology. But then that's subdivided into 3 lists. We've got cameras, computer stuff, cell phones, and then everything that goes along with those. Teia prints out individual papers with our itinerary and plans out each day's outfits. And of course we can't forget about the extra stuff like undergarments, something warm, extra dry clothes, and the miscellaneous items like swimsuits, goggles, umbrellas, flip-flops. The list can be endless. Since we're vloggers, the technology list must be very detailed. I need batteries, memory cards, chargers, tripods, microphones, lights, and let's not forget about the camera. Without all that stuff, we aren't filming a thing. And I have to have a computer, so we're looking at chargers, car adapters, backup hard drives, flash drives. The cell phone, it's a bit easier. We just need charging cables, lots and lots and lots of charging cables, AC adapters, and portable batteries while we're in the parks. Now the USB charging cables can also be added to the miscellaneous list because those charge some of the battery packs that I have for my camera. Now let's talk about that miscellaneous list. Umbrellas, power strips, headphones, and so much more. Technology certainly makes our lives easier, but maintaining it, especially while on vacation, can be extremely overwhelming. So let's throw it back over at you. How do you prepare for vacation? Are your lists super detailed, or do you just have a general overview of what you're gonna bring, and then you wing it? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Please like and share this video as it really does help us out. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you can get an update anytime we upload new content. And remember, no capes.